Guten Tag and welcome to our German lesson on how to introduce yourself. To make German friends, being able to introduce yourself in German is the first step. So let's jump in and learn how to make a great first impression. Auf Deutsch. You've already learned the most common greetings. If you're not sure, make sure to revisit our lesson on German greetings after finishing this lesson. You can find the link in the description. Now, let's tell people who you are. The simplest way to say your name is Ich heiße, followed by your name. Ich heiße means my name is. Another way to introduce yourself is by saying Mein Name ist, which also means my name is. So you can say Ich heiße Anna or Mein Name ist Anna. Your turn now. Curious about how to ask someone's name in German? It's simple. In a casual setting where you feel a sense of familiarity, you can ask Wie heißt du? This translates to What's your name? For more formal occasions, perhaps when you are speaking to someone you don't know well, or in a professional context, you should opt for Wie heißen Sie? This is the polite form of asking someone's name. Let's take a moment to practice these two forms of addressing someone. Repeat after me. Wie heißt du? And Wie heißen Sie? Well done. Now to conclude an introduction, adding Es freut mich, dich kennenzulernen is a wonderful touch. It translates as Nice to meet you. Let's practice saying it. Es freut mich, dich kennenzulernen. In addition to your name, sharing where you're from enriches the introduction. To do this, say Ich komme aus, followed by the country or city you're from. For example, Ich komme aus Deutschland, if you're from Germany. This phrase literally means I come from. Let's go over how to say you're from different countries. Practice with me. Ich komme aus den USA. Notice how you need to add the word den when stating that you're from the US. Next, ich komme aus Brasilien. Ich komme aus Indien. Ich komme aus Russland. Ich komme aus Japan. To find out where the other person is from, ask them, Woher kommst du? Which means, where are you from? Repeat after me. Woher kommst du? When someone asks, Wie geht es dir? In a casual way, or Wie geht es Ihnen? Formally, he or she wants to know, How are you? Try it with me. Wie geht es dir? Wie geht es Ihnen? You can respond with Mir geht es gut, danke. Meaning, I'm fine, thank you. If you're not doing well, you can say Mir geht es nicht so gut. Another piece of information you might want to share is your age. To do this, say Ich bin, followed by your age and then Jahre alt. For example, Ich bin 30 Jahre alt, which means I am 30 years old. The word Jahre means years and alt means old. Try saying your age in German now. Ich bin 30 Jahre alt. If you're feeling unsure about your number knowledge, please make sure to revisit the lesson on numbers in German after finishing this lesson. As always, the link is provided in the description. To ask someone how old he or she is, you can say Wie alt bist du? Informal, and Wie alt sind Sie? Formal. Once again, Wie alt bist du? Wie alt sind Sie? Hobbies are a great topic to make the conversation more lively. To express enjoyment in activities, you can use Ich mag for I like or Ich liebe for I love, followed by the hobby. Let's try it with some activities. Ich mag lesen means I like reading. Ich liebe Musik hören translates to I love listening to music. Ich mag schwimmen means I like swimming. Ich liebe kochen translates to I love cooking. Ich mag reisen means I like traveling. Ich liebe Radfahren means I love cycling. What are your hobbies? Try to say them in German. After sharing your own hobbies, you might want to ask about the other person's hobbies. Simply ask, Was sind deine Hobbys? A quick cultural tip. Germans value formality in initial encounters. Always use Sie and the person's last name until invited to use du and the first name. Practice dialogue. Let's engage in dialogue incorporating what we just learned. Name, age and hobbies. Remember to repeat after me. Hallo, ich heiße Robert. Wie heißt du? Ich heiße Anita. Freut mich, dich kennenzulernen. Wie alt bist du? Ich bin 25 Jahre alt. Und du? Ich bin 28 Jahre alt. Was sind deine Hobbys, Anita? Ich liebe Reisen und Kochen. Was sind deine Hobbys? Ich mag Fahrradfahren und Musik hören. Well done! You are now equipped with phrases to introduce yourself and carry on a conversation in German. Remember, the goal is to communicate and connect with others, so perfection isn't as important as trying. Keep practicing, be curious, and don't hesitate to strike up a conversation with a German speaker. They will likely appreciate your effort and help you learn. Remember to subscribe and bis zum nächsten Mal.